Hello 4A students. I'm doing a video about scales. So by scales we're meaning the 8-note scales, do, re, mi, fa, sol. That's our 5-finger position all the way up la, ti, do. That's the 8-note scale. Obviously only 5 fingers, we have to kind of solve that. As we've been working in class, we've been working on it hands together. I have a red dot over me. See, red dot over me, because Dr. Young likes putting stickers on pianos. Because on me, the fingers that are together are your 3rd fingers. Super important. I have a blue dot here on La. This is my stickers are for C major, because also our 3rd fingers are together on La. Okay? Other thing that we have to remember is that the distance between Sol and La, that is a whole step. Last distance we have to remember, from Ti down to Do is a half step. Okay? So those are the elements. What we're going to do is, I'm going to do from Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol in a lot of different keys. So I'll do it in C major first. Now I just have to move my phone so that you can see the keyboard. And here we go. This should work. So I'm in C major 5-finger position. My 3rd fingers are already set for me. I play Do, Re, Mi. With my left hand, I feel Fa, Sol. Don't play it, just feel it. You know those notes because you know the 5-finger position. With my right hand thumb goes underneath. It's going to play Fa, it's going to play Sol, and you notice my pinky is ready for Do above it. Good way to feel this is to just crunch Fa, Sol together, play Fa by itself, play Sol by itself. Now, if I had the energy, I would stop it and change all the stickers and do it in a different key, but I'm not going to change the stickers because I think you can get this without a bunch of stickers. So in D major 5-finger position, I play Do, Re, Mi. Left hand, I feel Fa, Sol. This is Fa, this is Sol. My right hand thumb goes under for Fa, opens up so it can touch Do above it. You may not be able to see that on the screen. And then I can crunch Fa, Sol together, Fa, and Sol. Okay? And then you could do that in E major. You could do that in G major. You could do that in A major. Those are all the keys that do that. If you're really interested in pushing yourself forward, and this will be the extra credit for the final, is that you could do this in minor. So let me show you what I mean. Do, Re, 3rd fingers will be together on Me. Only difference is that we had lowered our 3rd finger from Mi to Me. Fa, Sol will remain the same. Okay? So that I'll just do a brief one in C minor, since my phone is set up for C. So here's C major, 3rd finger down to C minor, Do, Re, Mi. I feel Fa, Sol, my thumb goes underneath, opens up to Do above it, Fa, Sol. So you could do that in C minor, D minor, E minor, G minor, and A minor. And I would encourage you to do that because it's the same process. Okay? So the next thing we have to do, sorry, I have to move my phone again, is we stopped at Sol. We had Fa, Sol. You know, Fa, Sol was Fa, Sol were this really weird mismatch. Fa, Sol here, 1 and 2. Left hand, 2 and 1. The thumbs did not match. Right hand was thumb, Fa. Left hand was not thumb. Okay, the question is, after you get to here, you have to go to La. And that's where we have to measure how far Sol to La is. Sol to La is a whole step. Okay? That's really important because if we get used to measuring here, we can do minor really easy. Okay? We're doing the last notes up to Do. So I'm starting at, sorry, I have to move the camera again. We already we're in C major. We had Mi, I felt fa, so here. My thumb went underneath. Here's fa, so, crunch. Fa individually, so individually. The thing is, I have to cross my third finger, because our third fingers meet on la. I measure la from so, it's a whole step, so it's going to be here. Right hand is already set for third finger. In both hands, I feel the do above it. I measure half step below that for ti. So I'm going to do a harder one, let me remove the stickers. This is G sharp, which is going to be mi. And we'll put the sticker for la in a second, okay? Let's put the stickers on my hand. Okay, here's E major. Do, re, mi. Left hand, I feel fa, so. Right hand, thumb underneath for fa. My pinky reaches up to do. I can crunch fa, so. Fa, so. How far is la from so? Whole step. My third fingers meet on la. My left hand thumb reaches up to do. It measures down a half step. So this is ti, ti, do. So that's all you have to do to get the